Update on gambling in Indiana. Zach, how long has sports betting been legal in Indiana?
So as part of the legislation that passed on September 1st, so in brick and mortar stores or casinos where you can walk in, it's been legal since September 1st, but online started rolling out in October. So that's been going for a few months now too.
That's been fantastic, am I right?
It's been fantastic for the state and for consumers. The state, they brought in just from September on about $4 million in tax revenue already.
So September, October, November, December, January, 5 months.
Not even counting January, just 4 months.
Oh man, that's insane.
Yep.
That money was not there before.
Not there, that's $4 million just found for the state.
Oh man, that's going to help do everything that the state normally does.
It will, and I was looking at some other states and they're getting bets in the billions of dollars rolling in on their sports betting. So if Indiana for a full year can keep up those kind of numbers, it could be huge.
That's amazing. Is there any talk about expanding betting in Indiana?
So yes, and it's not just sports now. They're trying to bring in more customers. So now you can bet on award shows and stuff like that. If you're a fan of the Joker, I think that's a heavy favorite for Best Picture. So definitely.
Betting tips right now. That's amazing. Okay, so it's fair to say that to prepare for this video series, you've been actually out there gambling.
I've been doing some market research, yes.
Okay, so the market research from September until October, before it became legal to bet online. Tell me about that experience.
So I've been to Indiana Grand. I've been to Winter Circle, which is just down the street from our office. It was brand new. The lines were long. It was exciting. Everybody before Pacers games was going to bet. It was great, and they were bringing good money. I think they brought in $35 million in their first month. That was just revenue coming in, so people were excited about it.
And then once October came and no longer had to physically go there, tell me about the experience.
So they started rolling out these mobile apps so you can bet on your phone, and the revenue they're bringing in is skyrocketing. This past month was $160 million they brought in. The mobile apps alone have brought in $110 million in December.
So you no longer have to go to the physical location. You can do it from your office. You can do it from your home.
And I would never do it from the office while I work, Mark. But yeah, as long as you're within the borders of the state of Indiana, you can bet on these apps. And when I was going with my friend to Cincinnati to bet Bengals games, we'd always make sure on the ride in we're making all of our bets, because as soon as we cross that border, it shuts down and won't let you make any bets.
That's crazy. How many apps are there right now?
So there are, I believe, 3 apps that are live right now, and more are trying to get in the marketplace.
And how has the experience been as the consumer with these apps?
As a consumer, it's great. The 2 main ones are FanDuel and DraftKings. DraftKings came out first, so they have the majority of the bets. Of that $110 million that I told you people are betting on sports in December, 65 of that was through DraftKings. So FanDuel, they got about $35 million in revenue in December. So they're trying to do everything they can to pull consumers away from DraftKings and into FanDuel. So as bettors, we're getting all kinds of free bets and what they call odds boosts and some can't lose bets.
That's impossible. Betting can never be guaranteed.
It's not guaranteed, but the other day they had a wager where for every 250 people who made a bet, they would move the line 1 point in this Indiana game. They ended up moving it about 115 points. No team has ever lost by that much in a Division I college basketball game. So it was as safe as gambling can be.
So they're basically, to try to get you to switch apps, they're basically giving free money away.
Yep, and DraftKings the other day in response moved the bet to total point spread was what they did. And the lowest score ever in a college basketball game with the shot clock was 71 points. Well, they said, we'll make the total 51. Can't lose. So they're trying to pull the people right back and keep them interested.
There's nothing like being wanted. Oh man, what a great feeling. And so right now, I know that everything's still in the beginning stages. What is your favorite app to use?
My favorite app right now is FanDuel. I've had a great experience with it. I know some of the other guys in the office have had a great experience with it, and I think that's definitely our recommendation.
We love everything about the law, including sports betting and the new laws that come with this. So thanks again for giving us all this information.
Absolutely.
Remember, always plead the fifth.